Hello guys! Have you ever wondered how to search for a specific product, or let's say you saw a face of a person but you can't recall the name, on Google without even typing the name in? Why not to use the Google camera search? I found out that so many people do use this feature but so many others don't, so let me show you how to do it. So, instead of going to Google typing in the name of a product that you don't know, you can just go to your web browser, click on the icon of the camera that appears to the right in the searching bar, and this will give you two options: either to activate the Google Lens, which allows you to take a picture to the product right away and it will do the search by analyzing the image and get you products the same as the one you took a picture to, or you can go just to the web browser page again, click on the icon of the camera and scroll down inside the screenshots of your phone to find the image of the product that you want to find or search for, and select the image and Google will analyze the image and find your product for you.